Hi everyone. Welcome to the Merritt College Library webpage located at merritt.edu/library. I'd like to introduce you to the library catalog and our databases. When you're doing research, whether it's for a class or just for your own personal knowledge, the library resources are a great place to start. The library catalog may be accessed from the left side menu. The catalog is called OneSearch because it's a one-stop shop for all of your information needs. You can search for journal or newspaper articles, print books, ebooks, even films within OneSearch. Let's get started. Today I want to research Faith Ringgold. She was an American artist and activist known for her story quilts, which explored her African American identity. I'll start my search by typing in Faith Ringgold into the search bar, and then OneSearch indicates that I'm getting over 800 results, which is great. One trick I want to show you is that if you want to keep keywords together in a specific order, you can put quotation marks around them. This tells OneSearch that these words have to stay together. It's sometimes a useful thing to do for people's names or specific phrases. By including the quotation marks, the number of results has decreased, but we still have plenty to investigate. Let's see what kind of resources OneSearch has found for us. We can do that by expanding the side filter titled Resource Type. We have a large variety of resources available to us, including articles, books, films. Let's start by looking at books. I'll select the Books filter. This will give me all of the print books and ebooks that we have on Faith Ringgold. Beneath each title, we can find the book's location. For example, some of the print books are in our popular reading section, some are in our circulating upstairs stacks, and some are reference books. If we only wanted to look for print books, physical books that we have in the library, we may add the availability filter of Held by Library. You must visit the library in person to read these books. On the other hand, if I only wanted to look at ebooks, I could get rid of the Held by Library filter by selecting the X, and now select Available Online. To read one of these ebooks, I would select the title, and then next to the phrase View Online, we find a list of the databases that carry this book. Select the database. At this point, if you're off campus, you will be asked to log in using your Peralta credentials. Only enrolled in Merritt students or faculty are allowed to use our online library databases. So many databases will ask you which format you wish to read the book in. In this case, I have the option of PDF or EPUB. So now I may read the book. I want to highlight some of the features of our library databases. Let's say that I want to get the URL for this book so that I can come back to it easily. Whether you're reading a journal article or an ebook, we recommend that you always use the permalink or get link buttons within a database. Don't just pull the URL off from this top bar. It might not get you back here. For this database, I may get my URL by selecting Share and then Create Link to get a usable URL. Another feature that you might find useful is the citation generator. In this database, you can pull a citation by selecting the Cite button and then selecting the citation style you wish to use. This is where I give my standard warning that generated citations are a great place to start with a citation, but every bit of it should be checked for accuracy. The Merritt Library has citation handouts at the reference desk and online advice in our research guides to help you format your citations. So let's head back to our OneSearch results and look at some journal articles. I'm going to dismiss our previous filters and now select articles from the resource type menu. There's several filters you may wish to play around with here. Firstly, let's go to the publication date. These articles go back to the 1970s. If I only wanted to look at articles from the past 25 years, I could change these dates and then select Refine. I may also decide to only view articles from peer-reviewed journals by selecting that filter from the Availability menu. These articles should have been reviewed at a higher standard of scholarship. To read an article, select the title. I'm going to select "We Flew Over the Bridge." Next to the phrase "View Online," I see the databases that carry this article. In this case, many databases carry the same article. I could select any of them to read it. So as we've demonstrated here, OneSearch searches through all of our databases to find your resources. It's a very efficient way to search. However, if you had a particular database, particular one that you wanted to search, or a particular subset of databases you wanted to look at, you can also do that. So let's go back to our OneSearch page. Up top is a link to Find Databases. By selecting that, I'm taken to a page listing all of our online library databases, A to Z. You may also get to this page from the library main web page by selecting the Databases and eBooks link. The A to Z list is in the side menu. So why would you come to this page instead of using OneSearch? Well, some databases focus on general knowledge and some on specific topics. You can filter the databases by subject using the drop-down menu. These 7 databases focus on allied health. You may also use a drop-down menu to filter the type of database, including ebooks, reference books, or films. Many people come to this page so that they can find the film databases and browse or watch movies. In this sidebar, we have a list of some of our more commonly used databases. That said, I want to stress that when you use our library catalog OneSearch, you're already searching through all of these databases. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about is where to go when you need help. On the library homepage, we have research guides. If you select that link, you'll get to our list of guides. Of interest to you may be the one on databases and ebooks, right here, as well as the one titled OneSearch using the library catalog. Please feel welcome to contact our librarians at the reference desk using our online chats, calling, or emailing. Happy researching!